This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and Tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Guys, it is April 25th, 2019. This one I gotta go turn the water back on to like it's kind of like a little garage area that's off adjacent to the house. It's like a little summer home, no heat in there. It's just kind of like a little cottage for the summer. You know, it's not the main house, it's off the main house. I don't think he's got any heat in there, but maybe a little electric heater or something. But so it's going to be winterized.
1/4 mile, arrive at 595 Old County Road.
It was like a garage at one time, off the house or something. It's got plumbing in there and. Electric water tank here. And this is the main shutoff coming in. Make sure this is off. Gotta fill the tank up before we put the power to it, right? We'll be able to shut everything off and then we'll turn the water on. Toilet there. I blew everything out with air. I blew everything out with compressed air last year, so we'll turn the water on and check it. The power should be off to the tank in there. No insulation, I mean, it's just a little summer home. No insulation or nothing. Alright, so he's got a shut off here. I put air to it and blew it out. It goes all the way over there. So we should be able to shut this off and turn this on. See if we got any leaks. Smells like cat piss down here. Ain't good. We gotta drain air out of the tank first thing. Hear the tank filling. This is going over for the outside faucet under here. I think I ran that one for the guy. She's filling. Oh, look, he's got the handle upside down. That's odd. I wonder why that thing was making all kinds of noise. Get rid of all the air from the water tank, and then we could turn it on. that off. It sounds dirty. Well, make sure that's okay. Let that fill up, make sure that's okay. Shuts off and all that happy stuff. See, he's got this backwards. I don't know why he's got the handle like that. Maybe that's the way they want it. Electric water heater should be this one. All the 220s are off. We'll turn the 220s on. That should take care of the water tank. It's kind of cool. That's it. Even though the drains are off, it's split. There's two splits. I have to cut that section out. This is on the main house. I did have these caps off too. Must have froze before I got here last year. I don't know if we'll be able to get that hanging off. It looks a little crusty. A little close to the house here. It's vinyl siding. Not good. Surprised that screw's coming out. I want to get it away from the house if I can so I can solder it without cooking the vinyl. I do have a fire retardant thing. I can use that too. Comes in from the house and then runs over. Look at that. Yeehaw. Cut that out of there and put a new piece in there. Alright, so I put rags behind it. And I got a gap, a good gap there. So I should be able to solder that without cooking the siding. So I got rags behind it, leaving it off. Side yet. No big deal. I think the guy had shut this off and drained this down before I got here. This is the main house. thing on the other side with the pipe. Yeah, so there's a gap there, see it? Yeah, it should be fine. Let that cool before we pull that panel out of there. That should do it. It's off the house, you know, so I can't cook it. Don't want to burn the siding. Yeah, it looks like there's a mouse that's been living in behind here.
Well, I will take care of that. I know you have mice in here, sure.
Yeah, that was a good split. Two times. Alright, looks good. I might have went through a freeze before I got here, who knows? When I got here last year, it was shut off inside, just wasn't drained. Well, that's good. I don't see any leakers. No leakers. Things happen, right?
Yeah. And I will.
But on something like this, you got to make sure your call for it starts getting chilly at night.
Right. Now, is there a way for me to turn this on and off myself?
I can show you how to do it if you want.
Okay, do I have to, like, use a...
Yeah, you got to shut them two ball valves off behind the, shut the two ball valves off.
Okay.
And then there's two little bleeders on the bottom here you got to open and drain it. You got a pair of pliers. Alright guys, just left that job. I did winterize that shed area, you know, blew it all out good. And the guy just had sold that house last year. He used to winterize everything himself. So this new landlord had called me last fall to do it. So if I remember right, he might have shut the ball valves off to that shower at the house. And when I got there, I drained the bleeders in the valve. And it must have went through a freeze before I got there. A lot of times these people, they call me, you know, when it's later in the season, and so that's not something. He used to he might even have drained that himself. I'm not even sure, to be honest with you. So the guy he used to winterize that thing himself all the time. And it's a new homeowner. So it's a lady now, and so she's gonna have me go every year. I told her she's gonna call me before it gets cold out. Especially that outside shower. I showed her how to drain the outside shower in case she wants to do it herself. Shut off the ball valves and then open up them little bleeders on the bottom and then open the valve up and then drain it down. I mean, as long as it's open before it freezes, it's not gonna get the water out of it. It won't split like that. That's what happens if you don't do it quick enough. But anyway, that's the deal there. Everything went great with the little cottage, but that outside shower in the house that went through a freeze, so I don't know what happened there. But anyway, it's all good. We'll go to our next job.